This video is sponsored by HairVivi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! So in today's video, I am gonna show you guys how I slayed this wig. Like, I am one of those people, I can make a wig to beat anybody. The one thing that I cannot do is customize my hairline. Like, I have never been able to customize a wig hairline to match my natural hairline. Like, I cannot do it. I cannot thin the front to make it look anyway kind of good. I can't do that. I don't know why, but I cannot do that thing, okay? So when HairVivi wanted me to go ahead and show you guys their wigs and their custom hairlines and how you don't have to know how to pluck to make it look good, I jumped on it. I wanted to see what it was gonna look like on me, and honey, tell me it doesn't look good. Like, tell me this is not my hair. Tell me it's not melted. Tell me it's not melted in. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what this wig looks like. I'm going to show you how I installed it. Let's jump into it. So this is how the box arrived from HairVivi. It comes in this beautiful blue box with HairVivi written on it. And inside you get your wig, a comb, and 2 hair clips. I absolutely love the fact that they included hair clips because sometimes I never know where my hair clips are. They're always missing and I can never find anything to hold my hair in place so that I can style it. This is what the wig looks like, and this is what it looks like on the inside. The one thing that I like is that on the inside it comes with a little scalp situation that's already sewn in there. It's already customized, so for someone like me who doesn't really do the bald cap method and all of that, it saves me the time to try to achieve a bald cap method, but it also gives me the option of having a real scalp without like doing extra to it. Okay, of course I went ahead and I customized the lace to try to match my skin tone even better than it already does. The one thing that I noticed when I was ordering was that I actually went to the website and I ordered the wig, was that they give you the option to choose what shade of lace and what shade of scalp you want. So I chose the deepest scalp they had, which is like dark brown, and I also chose a dark brown lace. That way it wouldn't be that stark of a difference between my skin tone and the lace. And also it comes in handy when it's time for me to tint the lace to match my skin tone, so I don't have to go from like the really pale kind of shade to the really brown kind of shade. The shape of the lace front, however, is not like a full lace frontal. It kind of looks like a lace closure with a bit of lace in the front, so the lace front, like on the sides, does not go all the way to the back compared to like how the front goes all the way to the back, and that's okay. But if you're somebody who needs like the big frontal, you might maybe check their website to see if they have like the 4x13 frontal. But this is in my opinion like a closure style frontal with a bit of lace in the front for you to like have this kind of look if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and because I'm in a hurry, I'm gonna go in with an already used foundation brush. I did not add any more foundation to this foundation brush. I just picked up the brush and just started rubbing it on the lace because I didn't want to have too much product on my lace. I hate having too much product on the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace on this. I just did a round cut. I didn't want to follow the hairline too much because on the days that I don't want to glue it down, I still want it to be able to hold nicely. So I went ahead and just did like a round cut on the lace. Now, because I am so inexperienced at the whole hairline gluing lace down situation, the round cut like helps me, because if I don't like how I cut it now, I can always go back and cut a little bit more later. Let's go ahead and install this wig. My hair is already braided down, so I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up my edges by applying some Got To Be and some of Magic Fingers Hair Studio gel to my edges. I'm going to spray it and brush it down really well, everything to the back, and then I'm gonna tie it down for about 10 to 15 minutes just so that it can stay in place. Now after I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Bold Hold Reloaded Liquid Gold. This was recommended to me by Joy, so I went ahead and just applied it to the part of my skin where I think the lace is gonna go. I just followed my natural hairline, applied it all over, and I just blended it in with the brush that came with the wig. I'm gonna dry it down just a little bit. I don't know how long to wait for it because I generally don't do this. I keep telling you guys that I don't know how to glue wig down. Dried it just a little bit. I went ahead and started gluing the wig down in the middle. The middle was a lot, so it wasn't like too dry. So I started gluing it down over there, and I glued down the sides and just tied it down until I was ready to show you guys. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, I'm not upset with it. It looks really good. The hairline looks really nice. Okay guys, so this is it for me showing you guys how I installed this very already customized wig. Literally all I had to do was just apply a little bit more of a tint to the lace and just figure out a good way to gel it down, because it's not glue, it's more like gel. So just gel it down and it looks really good. If you're somebody who doesn't know how to customize your hairlines, I would highly suggest that you check HairVivi out. The knots come pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, it's pre-styled. You can literally go from box to hair and not have to do anything. Well, in my case, I have to go ahead and just tint the lace a little bit more, but besides that, like, I didn't have to do anything. Just pluck it on. I didn't even like gel down the hair. I didn't do anything because I don't like wigs that have too much product in it and it's just lay flat, and I just, my head is not that flat, okay? So I like it when it has a little bit more volume at the top. So like this was right up my alley. If I had to order again, I would definitely pick a dark brown like I did when I initially ordered, and I didn't have to like style it any more than it already was because I like this lazy kind of wave that it's got going on. Very lightweight, the hair density is nice, and I'm not upset with anything. Okay, I'm gonna put the link to this specific unit down below. I'll also put the link to HairVivi down below for you to check out. Let me know if you've tried or heard about HairVivi, and thank you so much HairVivi for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous wig, because I'm definitely gonna be rocking it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.